Hello, this is Miles with M2 Inc. We specialize in mechanical closure technologies, specifically ratcheting buckles and straps. Today I will be featuring the 0.6 inch ratcheting buckle. And this is compatible only with the corresponding 0.6 inch wide ladder straps. How this works is you feed the ladder strap into the mouth of the buckle. You can slide until snug, and then lever arm can be lifted for micro adjustments up to 4 clicks or one at a time. To remove the buckle from the ladder strap, push down either of the release tabs for 1 click at a time, or both of them to completely release the buckle. This is the same process for either of our other two 0.6 inch wide ladder straps. This one for hook-in applications, and this one for stitch-in applications. Thank you for watching.